Hello everyone, this is a small video depicting some sample pages of our books, so corporate law as well as economic laws and the question bank. With this you can get an idea of what you can expect from the entire book. So for example, this is our chapter number 1 for company law, appointment and qualification of directors. Each and every topic will be preceded with an appropriate heading, and there has been an extensive use of flowcharts like you see in this manner. So wherever possible flowcharts have been used. Apart from that, if you observe, there have been some cartoon like figures. This helps to understand and ease the process of studying law to a certain extent. This will help you in understanding, in retaining the law in a better manner, right? So here, this will help you in overall understanding of the law. Apart from that, every section and subsection has been given an appropriate heading. So each subsection will be given some topic so that you can understand what that particular subsection is talking about. Apart from that, all the language, around 95% of the language is the BERAC language, but it has been broken down with the use of flowcharts and with use of some additional comments or important notes which will be given after the section, again for the purpose of interpretation, right? So if you see the language of these clauses also, this is exactly the BERAC language, but some extra points, some extra notings have been given by me for the purpose of understanding. Apart from that, exemptions have been provided in two-way manner. They have been provided at once also so that you can revise those before exam, but they have been provided after every section also. So while studying, if you want, you can revise that section and then its corresponding exemption as well. Some important points to note. So wherever applicable, these boxes or these extra points have been given, right? Okay, so now we will see some sample pages from our economic laws book. This is the chapter of insolvency bankruptcy code. So again, the format is same as we studied right now. Flowcharts, cartoon-like figures, and the language will be of BERAC only. So you can just view it once. Okay, now we will view some sample pages for the question bank. So section wise questions have been covered. There has been a coverage of around 865 questions, which consist of the past ICAR papers, past test papers, RTPs, MTPs, and other papers, right? So basically section wise questions have been given. Since this is our first question, detailed answer format has been given. Issue, legal provisions, given case facts, analysis and conclusions, and some other parts answered as the question requires. But apart from that, if you see in question number 2, the format of answer is in form of relevant answer points, conclusion. So why this kind of a difference is that, in my opinion, you don't need to go through the legal provisions again and again in every question. This will lead to a lot of wastage of time. So if you have any query in any legal provisions, you have to head over to the concepts book, right? You don't have to review it again and again in every question. So this will help you save time and comparatively cover a lot of syllabus in minimum time. So relevant answer points are basically those points which help you to form the conclusion that are relevant as per the answer. Okay, so those points have been given and conclusions have been given in every case, and analysis as required will be given. For example, if there are some calculations or there are some linkings required, so in those particular areas I have given the analysis as well, like for this example. Relevant answer points, this will include only those hyper important points that you need for the purpose of forming the conclusion, and then analysis and then final conclusions as asked in the question. So this kind of a coverage will help you to cover a lot more questions in comparatively a lot less time, and also revise this effectively and efficiently for the purpose of exams. So entire question bank is like this. I hope you have got a fair idea of what you can expect from the books. If you have any other queries, you can reach out to us directly. The number and everything, the website, everything is available in the description of this particular video.